Welcome everyone. Before we jump into the Jira course, I want to give you a few quick tips that will help you get the most value out of the training. First, don't worry if Jira feels overwhelming at first. A lot of people open Jira for the first time and immediately see dashboards, boards, workflows, epic stories, filters, and it can feel like a different language. That's completely normal. By the end of the course, those pieces will start to connect naturally. Second, this is a hands-on learning experience. Don't just watch, click, create issues, move tickets, experiment with boards and workflows. The fastest way to learn Jira is by actually using it. You won't break anything in training, so be curious and explore. Third, focus in on understanding the why, not just the buttons. Jira is more than just software. It's tools for teams, is used to communicate, organize work, and improve visibility. As we go through lectures, think about how they solve real-world problems like missed deadlines, unclear ownership, or poor collaboration. Another tip is try to connect Jira concepts to your own work environment. Whether you work in IT, project management, operations, marketing, or software development, think about how boards, workflows, and reporting could improve your team's processes. And finally, don't aim for perfection today. No one becomes a Jira expert in a single session. The goal is progress and confidence. If you leave this course understanding the core concepts and feel comfortable navigating Jira, you're already ahead of most beginners. All right, let's get started.